Friends, now today I want to discuss properties of continuous functions. Intermediate value property, boundedness property, uniform continuity property, compactness and continuity and existence of universe functions, and continuity and monotonicity. So friends, this video I just want to discuss continuous functions, properties of continuous functions. I will also discuss Bolzano theorem of continuity. Okay, theory, not proof, just only theory for remembering abbreviations. This is the abbreviation of the continuity. But I will also discuss how to prove Bolzano theorem in my class. But now I just, for competitive examinations, we need to know all the theorems. That's why I create this video only for competitive examinations. Friends, intermediate value property, Bolzano's theorem or continuity. Let f be a real valued continuous function in a closed interval a comma b. Suppose that fa and fb are of opposite signs, then fa less than fb, fa into fb less than 0. Then there exists at least one point C where a less than c is such that fc equals to 0. Intermediate value property. Let f be a real valued continuous function is in closed continuous function in a closed interval a comma b, and suppose fa does not equals to fb, then if assumes every value between fa and fb at least once. So then fa then assumes every value between fa and fb at least 1. So friends, intermediate value theorem is also application is fixed point theorem. So friends, now I want to discuss fixed point theorem. So we discuss fixed point theorem. If f is continuous on a comma b and fx belongs to a comma b for every x belongs to a comma b, in other words, f such that a comma b to a comma b means closed interval, then f has a fixed point. There exists c belongs to a comma b whose fc equals to c. And must remember, converse is not true. What is the converse, friends? Converse is very simple. Converse is if in a comma b f assumes at least once every value fa and fb b with fa does not equals to fb, then f need not necessarily continuous in a comma b. This is the intermediate value property, friends, value theorem. And intermediate value theorem application is fixed point theory. Next is boundedness of property of continuous function. Friends, I just discussed all the formula function, continuous functions. So boundedness of property of continuous function is very important. If a real valued function f is continuous on closed interval I equals to a comma b and a less than equals to x less than equals to b, then it is bounded there. So I hope, friends, I am clear. I cleared the total theory. So you must remember that f is bounded. What is the bounded? Suppose fx f such that a comma b tends to a comma b. This is the one example. So fx mod of fx less than equals to m. This is called bounded functions. Bounded is two kind. One is upper bound, another is lower bound. Okay friends, I hope is it clear. Now I closed my discussions. Thanks for watching and your kind attention.